Alright, what we got going on today is we're going to start putting the plywood up here on the second level, where I can put me up here a guest bedroom so I don't have to listen to somebody snoring.
That'd be me.
Alright, I'll show you what we got going on. I'll be back. Alright, here's the view from up here. I'm going to attempt to put the floor up here, top of all this insulation. Be one step closer to making more room up here. Get rid of all this. I got stuff everywhere basically. Anyway, we're going to start moving all this 3/4 inch plywood and putting it up on the floor, and it's about 100 degrees up here.
Feels good.
Alright, I'll be back as we go along. Okay, here's day 2 of the Mutt and Jeff carpentry show. Got the plywood over here. We scabbed a lot of these boards because of the way these floor joists got run. Oh yeah, this is an adventure. But we're getting after it. By the end of the day, hopefully it'll be fixed. Alright, we'll be back later. Alright, this is day 3 up on the second level. Got most of the flooring installed. We're up here filling these little gaps in now. Cut these pieces down on the floor. Had to scab some boards in the way these floor joists was running. This area here is going to stay open. That's all where the plumbing's going to be in the upper stairs, bathroom. Upper stairs? Yeah, yes. Upper stairs.
Upstairs.
So we'll be done here shortly. I'll be back. That's the second floor deck going in on the Grouse. Be back in a while. Okay, just swept up here. We got the plywood deck on for the most part for the second level build out, which will happen a little bit at a time. This area over here is with the stairway, where all those boards are piled up. That'll be the top of the stairway. That's nice being all sealed off up here. That's the view from the second deck. And right over there between these steel beams, it's going to be a sliding glass door going out to the deck. It's going to be pretty nice someday. Alright, that's it. We're going outside now and put a shed roof off the side of my shed that I built a while back because I can. Alright, that's it. That's the second floor installed. A deck, I guess I should say, on the Grouse. Over and out.